Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Digoxin used in congestive heart failure is associated with Digoxin used in congestive heart failure is associated with atrial fibrillation. Digoxin used in congestive heart failure associated with atrial fibrillation with high ventricular rate because digoxin will help to maintain the ventricular rate in these patients. Next. Digoxin is used for patients who remain symptomatic even after using diuretics and ACE inhibitors. It is also used in heart failure who are in atrial fibrillation and require ventricular control. And digitalis is contraindicated in hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy and in high cardiac failure. Digoxin is contraindicated in hypertrophic obstructive cardiomyopathy.
thank you and thank you for watching.